Are we live? Welcome to the Bank Lifestyle channel. My name is Fred, and every week I bring you new videos about how to make money. If you love money, this is the right place for you to be. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made my mom 10,000 cedis in just 3 days by investing in the crypto market. Let's get it. 2020 has been a heck of a year. There is no doubt about that. But this particular year has really produced a lot of millionaires. There are so many opportunities flying around, especially as we are getting to the end of the year. And if you are lucky to be on our channel, I'm sure you can capitalize on that and make some money. Most people know my side of trading Forex, but one other thing that I'm so hyped about and deeply into is investing in cryptocurrencies. Trading Forex has really given me the edge to analyze cryptocurrencies and see which are likely to move. I hold a pretty big bag of cryptocurrencies, and most of the time I really advise people who are close to me to also invest in them. Because of this, a lot of people really reach out to me for crypto advice. Some even go to the extent of offering me cash just to trade on their behalf. But you know your boy, I don't like that idea. With that, I have some exceptions. Well, I trade for my mom because she's the only person who believed in me in my journey of trading. And I couldn't think of any way to show appreciation than to make her some cash. This is what happened. I'm gonna keep it short. She had a few bucks and she wanted to trade into some investments. She gave me the money and I looked into my crypto portfolio for the coins which had the potential to move during this end of the year season. Guys, I must admit, XRP is my favorite cryptocurrency. I've been with XRP from the top to the down, and now we are rising to the top, even through the trolls on Twitter. So I did my analysis and I saw that XRP had the ability to skyrocket during this end of year season. The money was $700 and I placed about 80% of the money into XRP and 20% of the money into Lumens. After investing in these two coins, in the evening, I saw some weird movements in the markets and I saw it was time for the truth. The timing was so accurate to the extent that the next morning, the $700 had turned to $1,200. I checked and I made 30% overnight. What kind of investment gives you 30% in just a day? If you know of any, just put it down in the comment box. So I didn't take profits because I was in the market for good and on a long term to make a lot of profits on her investment for her. In 3 days time, the investment is worth almost $2,000. That's about 10,000 cedis. You can see right here, $1,900 plus. That's over 130% in just 3 days. So incredible. Per my analysis, this is not over. This is going on a long term and could be a bull run. You are not late. You could still make some profits on XRP, Lumens, or some cryptocurrencies I really believe in. If this video gets to 100 likes, I'm going to upload a video showing you my own crypto portfolio and which cryptocurrencies I think they are going to boom. Bitcoin is also performing crazy this season. If you want to know whether I invest in Bitcoin or not, maybe in my next videos. There is COVID. There's a lot of bad things happening around, but there are also good opportunities flying around. If you want to see more, subscribe to this channel for amazing videos like this. Put a comment down below if you've heard about XRP and let me know your thoughts about it. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency and you want a wallet to use, I have the link of Coinbase in my description. Just click it and sign up. This is an update. I just want to keep it short. We're going to meet on the next one. It's a Bank Lifestyle. I sign out.